FabFitFun, I'm Catherine, and today I have an unboxing video of the FabFitFun 2017 Editor's Box for you. I received a subscription to this for my birthday. This is my first time with FabFitFun. I've never opened one of their boxes before, and I've avoided looking at unboxing videos myself because I wanted the surprise of this. And the Editor's Box is the one that they gave me as my first box as a new customer. I'm excited about the timing of this box since it's obviously right after my birthday, but also right before Valentine's Day. So this is a time of year when I like to do a lot of fun and quirky self-care things that I might not make time for otherwise, that don't involve other people. And what better than to open a box from a loved one that is just filled with goodies and surprises. I love surprises. So let's get started. Obviously this is a pretty big box. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Feels like there's probably some good stuff in there. It's also got some pretty cute graphics on the top and the sides that suggest what might be in the box. But who knows what could really be in here. So opening it up, there's the FabFitFun label on the inside, tissue paper covering the contents, and then a few paper goods. Let's see what we've got here. This looks like a little newsletter magazine thing that probably describes products that are inside the box. So I'm gonna hold off on this until I've opened the rest of the box. This says a note from us and has a little message from the curators. And here's the spoilers on the back. I do not want to look at that. And this is a coupon for a friend. So I'm going in for the kill, opening up. Very excited, the anticipation is building. Ooh. Oh, I'm very excited already. Okay, I have to start with this because it's catching my eye. We've got these weird little paper spiralies, but they're better than plastic peanuts, so whatever. So this is a blanket, I think. It says cozy wrap, so it might be more like a shawl thing. I'm not sure yet until I open it up. It says travel well, travel often, travel light, from Mercy, Always by the Sea company. Designed with travel in mind, our cozy wrap is made to go from the plane to city streets and on to dinner. Dressed up or down, this chic wrap makes a statement wherever you go. This is the softest wrap you will own. Well, that works for me. I don't own a wrap as it is. And it's very fuzzy. It's incredibly soft. The name comes from French, so it's Merci. I see what they're doing there with the word puns. Ooh, it's got really nice coloring and fringe. It is shedding a little bit. Okay, this is my shawl. I dig it. This is incredibly cozy, very hygge. I could see myself wearing this in a future video and definitely on an airplane or wherever they said on the label. Yeah, this is good. It's like a portable blanket that you could wrap up really small and tiny, and it's incredibly soft. Like, I would sleep with this in my bed. Oh no, now I'm covered in the fuzz from it though. That's not ideal. I'm gonna have to take a defuzzing break here, I think. Okay, to their credit, they do say on the label, which I kind of skipped over, to remove initial excess fibers, hand wash or machine wash on gentle cycle, tumble dry on medium heat. So the shedding should not last. That was just me being too eager. So next we have something very special looking. This is the Spongelé Bulgarian Rose Body Wash Infused Buffer. Beyond cleansing, multi-use. So this has a very nice box. Smells yummy too. I can definitely smell the rose. Let's see what it looks like inside. It's like a thick sponge. I can feel that there's stuff in there and it's shaped like a flower. What next, my friends? What next? Ooh. Wish High Performance Natural Beauty Rose Hip and Lotus Nourishing Dew Mask. Intense treatment, visibly improved hydration. I think this is a face mask, but it's not entirely self-explanatory. It says it'll do all kinds of things like boosting moisture, reducing appearance of fine lines, reducing inflammation, which is all good to me. Not tested on animals. Apply a quarter size amount to skin, any skin, I'm not sure. Leave on, relax, and enjoy. Rinse with warm water. Nice packaging. It says the same things on here that it does outside. Ooh, it smells very fresh, very light. I'll be excited to try this one out. So far, the self-care factor here is very high. What are we? Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. Okay, this is eyeshadow, which is not entirely my thing, so I'll probably pass this on to a friend. But it looks really good quality. Feels like it has some good weight to it, if that's how you judge eyeshadow. I don't know, I just feel like heavy things are good quality things generally. Okay, what next? Summer, oh, this feels like jewelry to me. Summer and Rose, and it's in a Ziploc bag, which is a little bit unfortunate. Wasted plastic in a little pink box. I can reuse that though. Yes, please. Ah, earrings. These are the earrings. They're really pretty, dangly rose gold. My only question would be what they're made out of. It doesn't say on the box, so I'm hoping that it says on the spoilers pamphlet, because I can't wear anything that's not a good quality metal. So I'll have to check into that, but I really like the style. They're very trendy and I don't have anything like this already, and I might be hesitant to invest in them on my own, but I'm really glad that they arrived on my doorstep by somebody else's whim so that I could try them. Makeup Drop, the original silicone makeup applicator. Another thing that I will be regifting because I'm not huge on makeup. It's just a downside of me getting lifestyle boxes like this is they tend to be filled with makeup stuff that I don't necessarily need, but it makes my friends happy when I can pass them on. So that's fine with me. But this seems cool. Looks like a nice brand. And it's squishy. Not sure what this is. So it says private party on the outside. It looks like a pair of leggings or something. But it's got some bulk to it. What are you? Are you a bag? I think you are. Well, that's cute. It says Gym and Juice on it. I like this. It's kind of like a mini duffel bag. So, Gym and Juice, zipper on the other side, straps covered in plastic that are very crinkly and noisy. Nice quality denim-y canvas fabric. It's also got a side pocket on this side. And it's got an inside pocket, which is handy. Yeah, just a really nice gym bag. I could see myself using this. I think it would also work as a carry-on bag on the plane. I would feel trendy carrying this around, especially if I also had on my new wrap. We're down to our last thing here. Oh yes, please. This is Muscle Soak Himalayan Salt, 100% natural. Let's open you up. Whew, that's very strong. It's definitely some good stuff. Hopefully you can see that nice pink salt in there. I'm very excited to use that. That's lush. Okay, so that was it. That was the FabFitFun box. And returning to the newsletter that was included, this appears to be a welcome to the box newsletter. Oh, now this is bizarre. I'm looking at the spoilers list now, and it tells you not only what's in your box, but what's in other versions of the box that other people who marked different things, I assume on the preference form online, might get. So it's always nice to know what you didn't get. And it also says how much everything costs, which is a little, to me, like, I don't really want to know what the retail price of these things are. It's a little bit stressful, but it's interesting nonetheless. I guess it's telling you what a good value everything in the box is, if you want to know that or not. I would advise not necessarily looking at the spoilers. It doesn't add anything to the experience of opening up the box. I'm pleased with this haul. I knew that there would be a couple things in there that weren't really my thing, but I was prepared for that and ready to pass them off to somebody who wants them more than me. But there's enough in here that it feels really worth it, especially for the free price that I paid. Thank you, Aunt, for gifting this to me. And I really, really look forward to my next box. I think that this is going to be a really fun self-care treat for the rest of the year, and it's just a great thing to have surprises arrive on your doorstep every few months. This one is 4 times a year, and I feel like I have plenty to play with and explore and make the most of in between those times. So yes, I would recommend FabFitFun so far. If you like this video and would like more unboxing videos in the future, including more FabFitFun unboxing videos, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which subscription boxes you subscribe to.